Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys display and brightness setting. In today's video title is guys how to fix brightness problem in Android mobile. Friends, you have brightness problem, sometime your brightness increase, sometime your brightness decrease automatic in your Android mobile. So friends, now let's see how to fix brightness problem one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Android mobile. Friends, in your Android mobile, open your phone brightness or display and brightness setting. So friends, you can see brightness level is 62%. And friends, in your Android mobile, adaptive brightness setting is on. Turn off your adaptive brightness setting, your problem will solve. Friends, brightness level we will increase 62%, we will increase here 100%. After 100% friends, you can see when I will on again adaptive brightness in my Android mobile. So friends, you can check brightness level will decrease automatic. 1 2 3, tap here, 62%. So friends, automatic your brightness will increase, brightness will decrease automatic according to your environment. Your brightness will increase and decrease, your brightness will adjust if you turn on your adaptive brightness setting in your Android mobile. And if you turn off, so friends, you can increase, you can decrease brightness without any problem. 28% level. After turn on friends, you can see brightness will increase 60%. Turn off brightness, you can adjust your brightness friends. Now I will adjust here 42%. When you will turn on brightness friends, you can see 60%. So like that friends, you can fix your brightness problem. You have any brightness problem in your Android mobile, turn off your auto brightness, adaptive brightness. Your brightness will not increase, brightness will not decrease automatic in your Android mobile. Friends, again open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, if you click here search option, so you can use your adaptive brightness setting. You can fix your auto brightness problem in your Android mobile. Search your adaptive brightness setting, tap on adaptive brightness setting, your problem will solve. And friends, you have any screen timeout problem, your phone is screen off automatic if you do not tap for 15 and 20 seconds. So you can fix your screen timeout problem also. Tap here display setting, tap here screen timeout, increase your screen timeout, your screen timeout problem will solve. Friends, if you select to 15 seconds, so friends wait for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds automatic your screen will off. Wait and watch. Screen is going to off and screen will off automatic if you do not tap on your screen. You have a screen timeout problem, open your phone screen timeout setting, increase your screen timeout, your problem will solve. Now your phone screen will off after 1 minute if you do not tap on your screen. You can fix your screen timeout problem, you can fix your brightness problem on your Android mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye.